Today we're reviewing that thing. Okay, now that it's all broken, let's open it. Comes with your little handbook. I won't be reading that because I can't read. Comes in, seems to be decently packaged actually. I can't get this out though. Okay, there's the saw itself. Actually, this is surprisingly heavy, considering how cheap it also feels. It's got a double trigger, so like the safety doesn't allow you to pull the trigger until you do this, which, of course, knowing my old saw, how old it is, I've never seen anything like that before. It's got a very plasticky blade guard. Doesn't feel horrible. That's not saying a lot because this is my first brand new circular saw. Let's see what else came in the box. Allen key. I assume that's for getting the blade out. Okay, then, gosh, my old Stanley doesn't have anything like this, so I don't even know what this is. It shows my education in saws. I think it's some sort of fence. People can correct me in the comments. Yeah, it looks like it's a fence, I suppose. I'm really not too sure. But that's my guess. Is that it? Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, you can tighten it here, so I suppose that's what it's for. That feels really crappy. And it's not tightening. Okay, now let's see a novice put a blade on a circular saw. Okay, so it turns out you just hold this down here, and then assuming I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, did I mention that this video is not for educational purposes? Because if I didn't, don't take this as education. There we go. If you took any of my videos as educational, then you probably lose a focus. There's that off in the small plate. Okay, I think we just slide this up in there. It's almost a three-hand job here. Assuming we're doing something right, which we probably not. It's very strange that this moves on like that. Whoops. I have a feeling that's going to be majorly off balance. Because how am I supposed to... Now a word from our sponsor, Squib Squad.
Ask your doctor if Squib Stick is right for you. It is! Buy 10!
Here's exactly why you don't follow what I'm doing, because I'm an idiot. This needs to come off. Okay, now we can put the blade on. Okay, we moved into my shop. It's the day later. And now we're going to do some test cuts. AKA one test cut. And then a test cut with my old saw compare. Okay, that did not perform as well as I hoped. Didn't want to cut through that. I was probably doing something wrong. Let's try that one more time because I'm a bad cutter. Okay, that time it did really well. Okay, now we're switching to my old saw to compare, which you can tell is a very old, worn out saw. final thoughts on the new saw. It's cheap, but it works. This old saw is definitely dying, so hopefully it'll get me through redoing my floor. As you can see, my shop is under construction. And that's primarily what I've been using the saw for. Now some of you might ask, why didn't I use hardwood to fully test it? That's because I don't have any hardwood. I just have this cheap lumber, and that's basically what I use at the moment. So that's all I have to test with it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.